Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and today I'm going to be talking about the hashtags that I chose for my visual culture speech. The hashtag that I chose was business passion. The reason why I chose this was because I've always been put into business. I've had a bunch of experiences as I was a child. I've been really put into business since I was 12 years old. My dad has a business, my other family members have businesses, and my friends and family have businesses, and I've been in and out of them, so I've pretty much have had a bunch of experience on how a business should be running. In this first hashtag picture that I found, it says that success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. So what that means is, as long as you put your ideas and your time into working on your business, you will be able to accomplish what you are dreaming about. So you'll be able to accomplish your dreams. In order to do that, you're going to have to be putting a lot of time, as in I talked about in my past speech, that great ideas and time management is the key to building a successful business. In the next picture that I found, it says, everybody says mistake is the first step of success, but the real fact is correction of mistake is the first step of success. So what that means is, if you make mistakes, don't quit. If you make mistakes, you grow on that. You have to keep growing in order to become higher at what you want. If you quit once you do something wrong, you're never going to grow your business. So that really inspired me into talking and making this hashtag one of something that really values me. Thank you.